And I think, as a retailer now, with Black Friday moving from one day to an entire promotional season, that it's a real strategy that you deploy over the period, and I think they probably are ready. We certainly advise our clients to think about it as a long-term period of promotion.
Mike, clearly the consumer in the US has certainly reportedly been strong, but there's been a little bit of pessimism creeping into people's GDP forecasts of late. Do you think the consumer will hold through for the rest of the year and deliver a strong holiday season?
Look, I think this will clearly be the greatest holiday season we've ever had. The U.S. consumer, it's hard to overstate how healthy they are right now. People talk about a consumer debt bubble. If you look at debt service for the consumer as a percentage of household income, it's at the lowest level of 30 years. Household net worth hovering near all-time highs. You look at wage growth, when you add average hourly earnings plus the number of hours worked, you're up over 5.5% year over year. So look, I think this is going to be a great holiday season. It's just a matter of execution at different companies. And then for overall market sentiment, who's going to get punished and who's going to get rewarded with the stock price.
So at your consulting firm,
yes,
are you advising some of these retailers right now?
Yes, we are, and we advise everyone from the sort of the digital players all the way through to the sort of large multi-channel retailers.
And so who's got the winning strategy?
Well, I think at any size, you can have a winning strategy. I certainly think if you think about what are the key success factors, being understanding your consumer journey at the moment, I think is critical, knowing which channels they're engaging with, online, offline, social, and also providing the service that customers expect. With that in mind, you can definitely win.
There's been so much focus, on just how much it's costing some of the bigger traditional retailers to participate in this new world. Is that a rush of spending that they were going to have to do and put in place, or is this kind of the new run rate of what they're going to have to?
I think it probably is a new run rate, and I think you have to think about, as a retailer now, what that means for the rest of your operation and think about how you adjust your costs accordingly.
In terms of, Mike, the breakdown between the sort of consumer discretionary and consumer staple names, which do you think will perform best?
Look, I still think that the economy has a couple more years to run, and I think discretionary will outperform staples. In some of these pullbacks, you might get a little bit of relative outperformance in staples. But look, I still like Amazon, and I like it more at 1,500 than I do at 2,000. They're a giant behemoth. They're not going anywhere, and it seems like the story for them is going to continue to get better. However, it's a high stock price and a lot of volatility to get involved with there.